The American middle class is facing a silent crisis that is eroding their finances month after month. The culprit? Credit cards. What should be a tool of convenience has turned into a devastating financial trap. Today, the average American carries more than $6,000 in credit card debt, paying interest rates that exceed 20% per year. This is not just a number. It's a sentence of financial imprisonment. Let's understand how we got here. In recent decades, credit cards have been sold as symbols of financial freedom and status. Companies have bombarded consumers with tempting offers, cashback, airline miles, rewards programs. But behind this shiny facade lies a predatory business model designed to profit from people's indebtedness. Financial institutions don't make money when you pay your bill on time. They thrive when you fall into debt. Recent inflation has drastically worsened this situation. With the cost of living skyrocketing, food, housing, health, education, middle-class families have been forced to use credit cards not for luxuries but for basic needs. Buying groceries on credit has become routine. Paying for a medical emergency? Credit card. Fixing the car to go to work? Credit card. And so, the vicious cycle is established. You use credit to survive today, but compromise your future by paying exorbitant interest tomorrow. The Federal Reserve raised interest rates to combat inflation, but this had a brutal side effect. Credit card rates rose along with it, some reaching 30% per year. For those already in debt, this meant an even heavier sentence. Each month, a larger slice of income goes to paying interest, leaving less to invest, save, or even live with dignity. The psychology behind credit cards is meticulously calculated to make us spend more. Studies show that people spend up to 100% more when using a card compared to cash. Why? Because paying with a card doesn't cause the same psychological pain as handing over physical bills. It's abstract, distant, almost unreal, until the bill arrives. And when it arrives, many pay only the minimum, thinking they're getting by. Big mistake. Let's do the math. Imagine a debt of $5,000 with a 22% annual interest rate. If you only pay the minimum monthly payment of 2% of the balance, it will take you more than 30 years to pay off that debt, and you will pay about $10,000 in interest alone. That means you'll pay 3 times the original amount. Meanwhile, financial institutions celebrate record profits. In 2023, American banks profited more than $120 billion from credit cards alone. This money comes directly from the pockets of the middle class. The situation is even more cruel for young people. Millions of college students are bombarded with credit card offers on campus, often before they even have a stable source of income. They start adult life already in debt, carrying not only student loans, but also rapidly accumulating credit card debt. This generation is postponing marriage, children, and home ownership, not by choice, but because they are suffocated by debt. And there's more. The credit score. A system that should assess financial responsibility has become a tool for exclusion. Those who are in debt see their score plummet, making it difficult to access loans to buy a house or car with decent interest rates. This creates a spiral. You need credit to improve your credit, but you can only get bad credit because your credit is bad. It's Kafkaesque. Então existe saída desse pesadelo? Sim, mas exige disciplina e mudança radical de mentalidade. Primeiro, pare de ver o cartão de crédito como extensão da sua renda. Não é. É dinheiro emprestado que você terá que devolver com juros pesados. Se você não consegue pagar à vista, provavelmente não deveria comprar, exceto emergências reais. Segundo, ataque suas dívidas com estratégia. O método bola de neve funciona. Liste todas as dívidas da menor para a maior. Pague o mínimo em todas exceto na menor, que você ataca com tudo que puder. Quando quitar a menor, pega todo aquele valor e joga na próxima. A vitória psicológica de eliminar uma dívida cria momentum para continuar. Alternativamente, o método Avalanche prioriza as dívidas com maiores taxas de juros, economizando mais dinheiro no longo prazo. Terceiro, negocie. Muita gente não sabe, mas é possível ligar para o banco e negociar taxas menores, especialmente se você tem histórico de pagamento. Eles preferem reduzir a taxa do que perder você como cliente. Considere também transferir saldos para cartões com juros menores ou programas de consolidação de dívidas. Mas a verdadeira solução é sistêmica. Precisamos de regulamentação mais forte. Países como Austrália e União Europeia têm limites para taxas de juros de cartões. Nos EUAU, os bancos têm liberdade quase total para cobrar o que quiserem. Isso precisa mudar. Precisamos de educação financeira obrigatória nas escolas. As pessoas precisam entender juros compostos, orçamento e os perigos do crédito fácil antes de serem jogadas nesse sistema predatório. A classe média americana construiu esse país, mas está sendo destruída por um sistema financeiro que lucra com seu sofrimento. Não precisa ser assim. Com consciência, ação individual e pressão por mudanças políticas, podemos reverter essa crise. O primeiro passo é reconhecer o problema. O segundo é agir.